everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragnya, and in today's video I am going to share with you how you can create some cool and amazing pictures of yourself at home using some digital backgrounds. So guys, in this lockdown period we just can't go out with our friends or relatives, and we can just click some good photos with different backgrounds. So we can do that in this situation. So today I have come up with a cool idea that if you have a smart TV at your home, and the bigger the TV is, the better for you, because it will be a little bit helpful to create good photos. So I have this TV. This is a smart TV, and this is from Redmi, and I can create many photos with this TV using some digital backgrounds. So you can just play any abstract videos from YouTube and play it on the TV, and you can stand in front of the TV and click some photos with that, or you can just use some still photos like I am using this photo right now. So you can use any photos like this of your choice and stand in front of your TV, and you have to be really very playful of the dress which you are wearing. Like now the background is a black and I am wearing a white t-shirt. So you have to be little creative about these things. So you can just tell someone at your home to help you to click your photos, or you can just click selfies also. Like you have to stand here and you have to little bit adjust the length of your TV. Your head should be at the center of the TV to get the best result. So as you can see that my TV is at a little bit higher point, so I am just using a tool and standing over that. So you have to hold your phone like this, or you can also hold it like this. I think in landscape it gives a better result. So you have to hold your phone like this, and you can also click the self timer, or you can also click it as it is. So you have to give poses like this. So you can give any poses of your choice, and you will get some amazing results. So guys, if you use your TV to create amazing backgrounds for your photos, so the main positive thing of this is you are getting a huge variety of backgrounds, and they are limitless. So you can use videos, photos, and you can also use your own photos and stand in front of the TV and create a good photos with that also. And so now let's quickly see some photos which I have created using some still photos and some videos. So without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. that is it for today guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share these videos with your friends and help them to create their own good photos. And also follow me on Instagram, the links will be in the description box below. And also comment down below what you think of my videos, and even if you not, feel free to share your comments with me. I will love to know that. And until next time, stay tuned, stay happy and stay safe. Bye bye guys.